welcome back to a new video. There we go, a bit better. Alright, so what are we getting up to today? So, the usual. Now, I haven't actually got given a Fortnite account, I believe, by looking through my email now. I'm going to put this on charge, just because work. I need a fully charged phone. I don't even need to log into this. Okay. So, yeah, so we've been doing this strategy, blah blah blah. Now, let's remove everything. Look at that, that's 1 o'clock. Okay. So we're going to play price action. Now, I was actually thinking more or less of doing a whole FMB backtesting strat again. What I mean by this is removing everything on here. But obviously what I would actually do is more or less I'd go to this one, this refinement, and then I would create my own. So I'll go on TradingView now and do this instead, solely because I wanted to get enough data to actually back up this refinement. So what I mean by that is, obviously if we go into here, we can look at gold. I mean, I don't really like trading gold. I don't really predominantly trade EU. Now, yeah, as we can see, this was just well, we kind of anticipated that, but Bitcoin's gone down. What the fuck, bruh? Okay, that's crazy. Anyways, we don't even need to look at Bitcoin. We can have a look at gold. Gold is still bearish, but I don't really know where the volume comes in though. Like, this doesn't look like much volume. The volume looks like it kicks in around 11. What this time? 11. Yeah, it's around about 11 in the morning. So we trade the I mean, we'll have a look. Well, I mean, what's the S&P look like actually? On the 1 hour, what volume do we usually get in the mornings? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 again. 11 is usually a big hot zone. I think we can actually go to indicators, and then we can go and search in sessions, and I think it's going to be this one, which is going to go through every single session. Now, you can just double click this, and we can remove this, this, and this. And then I don't really like these line breaks. I don't really know what the difference is, but I don't know. But anyways, so this is usually the 7 till basically London. So whole London. Technically, we click on here. It's typically going to be before this time, so we'll do 12. In fact, let's do 11. Let's do 11. Quick. Just want to see something. This with the S&P as well. Most of the volume does come in through New York session by the looks of things. But if we go down to a 5 minute, right, we can see that that is a nice trade. It doesn't give you the most that you want or need. That's the only issue. And realistically, it's not really much of a sell here. Not really. We won't trade that. We'll do gold. We'll do gold. Let's go to session again. Let's remove sort of 4 hour. Let's go to. Okay, yeah, London session looks like it gets some nice volume. Usually later on in the session with the overlap. Yeah, it looks like 1 o'clock, which is New York. Usually overlapping with New York, by the looks of things. Yeah. Anyways, so we're going to remove indicator. We're going to have 1 minute, and we're going to go back. Let's go as far back as we possibly can. Okay, and takes us to 17th of December. That's fine, because we're just going to go back a bit further. Right. And we're just going to trade from here. And we're just going to basically incorporate our strategy. Simply. Now, we're actually going to be looking for okay. The only thing we can't do is look on different time frames because it says it's almost 12. What I mean by that is when it turns to this session, which is the session we trade, it says 9 AM, but the problem is it's actually 10. So we enter the session an hour late, which is what it is. Current market looks, again by the looks of things, bullish, very bullish. And honestly, are we looking for a re-accumulation back down here? So I want to see some breaks on this higher time frame, this lower time frame. Now we have just this dump, then this MP push, which is basically this whole thing. Push, then we have this one, right? So we could actually be seeing sales from within here or within here. Now neither one has really got much indication, so honestly with the way market's pushing higher, I wouldn't be surprised if we do get buys up into here. So on this session, even though this is more of a pullback, and we broke down once, so if we broke down again, could definitely solidify that sell. So if we break this, then I'm happy to take some sales, but otherwise no. So now we're happy for the sales and we're looking for mitigation inside of this entire thing. We could refine it to this or this. I'm going to refine it to the highest point. So we mitigated, okay, and we have broke down. So matter of fact, our entry would be this, right? Obviously on this break here with like this, and obviously at this point we're also going to just play, see how it goes. Okay. So we do this, it's pretty simple. Yeah. Now this is an actual 45 pip, so I don't know how that's going to appear on something else. I might have to think about showing a different pair just because of that. But we'll do what we normally do on this. So let's see how far it runs before it gets stopped. I mean, by the looks of things, we're going to get stopped anyways. No, I'm getting that transfer and then we get that push up. It gives us a 12. What? Where's it gone? Apply, yes. It doesn't really matter about today, realistically. But it looks like it's the 4th. last year. London it ran 12 with a 43 hour sell. Anyways, see what we get. So we hopped on at 10. So we're basically on to 12. Created these lower time frame pushes. This 5 minute has been pushing higher, but again, markets came down from what I see. Break this structure down. So honestly, this is just intermediary, and it could act as a reaccumulation because we have broken, but we want to see, we're still bearish, understand that, so we're still looking for size until this gets broken, if it gets broken. Just wait, see what happens in this 5 minute. Okay, just get more pushes higher, cool. See what else we get. So I'm probably more likely to sell on the 5 minutes, see what we got, because now we're actually getting this zone, this MB. Right, so we're looking for this one. Okay, so honestly, it's valid for a sell now. I would want a better way to judge that, but off of here, which actually looks like would have got taken out anyways. Okay, so again, there's nothing to take. By the looks of things, if we break these highs here, we've actually validated basically 1 MB, 2 MBs to make this MB, so we're valid for more longs, and I'll actually disqualify ourselves, to be honest. But we haven't broken this high yet, so. Overall, we were expecting shorts, and again, what do we get? We got this, the big issue inside of this, and it breaks down. So that's great stuff, and we can probably look for it within here somewhere. Create this new mitigated portion, so we remitigated. So some of this. Those are the two zones. Now we actually tapped into this. Awesome. Now we're in this zone for sales. Okay, we broke down. That's a long wick, so honestly I'm not too sure about that. I'll be looking to take a sell off of this FMB if we get it, which we don't. And then we get that transfer higher, but again we're still, this does not look like a reaccumulation in my, I mean, actually, to be fair, we have broke these highs, so it does make, nope, yeah, changed my bias a few times, but looking at this now, honestly, the amount of, yeah, it makes more sense actually to look for buys, even though market, this could just be a pullback. It honestly makes sense. So especially with these breaks and then this breakdown, reaccumulation looks like. So I'm probably looking for something inside of here if we can get that. So we get straight capitulation. Okay. Okay. Again, so I'm looking for those buys from this deeper portion, because we didn't technically mitigate, so it just looks more like 1, 2. This actually looks like a redist, but again, doesn't matter. Honestly, can't even do that. Yeah, looking for that buy here. Happy with that. Yeah, that'll take you straight down. 4.4. Again, we're probably over our session anyways. So we're actually not gonna. Yeah, we're way over the session. We're about an hour over. So we shouldn't even be training the session. I think I'm still good. I'd say it is what it is. Shit happens. Sometimes you try to. Let me remove this still. Do that. I'm sorry, I don't even know if I can be honest with this shit. Like, this, I mean, we broke down, this looks like more of another redistribution, so if anything, it's probably going to collect these loads. Took these, probably take this out here, honestly. Wouldn't be surprised. Will not be surprised, it would technically be, I know, so we're taking it off this break. You got a break. No. Come on. Yeah, I'll take it off with this break, honestly. That'll be right here. Stop loss here. Target down here. Honestly, I feel like that would be alright, but we've stopped up. Yeah, I'm probably not going to do much to cannot be asked. Let's see how price action actually develops. Yeah, sales. Awesome. Yeah, nice. Honestly, I'm not even can't be asked to do this. I do this, but it's just so fucking painful. Like, gonna wait for. Okay, we failed our session, so we're gonna have to wait the whole day. Okay, 10 AM. See what we get. Okay, we got a big fucking dump. Sorry about the energy, guys. I'm just fucking dead. Like, honestly. Looking to take this low. Yeah, looking to take this low. So, let's see high, lower down frame go down to 1 hour. Nothing. We just got big impulses. So, this looks like shit. Break. Likes me coming down. I want to see some sales from here. If we get anything. See what we got. We've got fuck all. We haven't broken any higher, so we're still in this range. It's bullish. So, still wise, I guess. From in here. Yeah, let's see what we get. So, session starts, see what we get. We need to get breakdown, so we could be looking for sales from up here. From these 2.0s. 2.0 here. Okay. Yeah, look at that. Like that. So dumbass. $19, which is going to be I don't think it's even going to run this live, but sure. Market is bearish, so it could. Validated this MB, so it's probably going to come back up. Yep. Remitigate. Create some new structure. It'll either come break at this high now and then capitulate. Cool. Still bearish. So. Take a sell here, it'll be alright. Not a greatest sell, but it's valid. Take a 150 out. Yep. And then that 90 now, which is actually around the same area. See what we get. Probably gonna get stopped out on one of these, or both. Testing it up now. If it holds, it's great. If it doesn't, then it doesn't. Honestly, I'd probably be done. I don't like to be in two positions at once, so I'd probably be out. That was out. Cool. We're probably going to be done for the day anyways, so we'll just let price do its thing. Yeah, let's get taken out on that. Profit's 30.22. I think. I don't even know where we're at, but I mean, we're risking about 0.5% on a trade. 24% win rate's low. Yeah, we shouldn't have even taken these -4s. I don't know how we, because we're on a very finite amount. New day, let's see what we got. Right, 9 AM, let's see what we got. So, again, building higher and higher. Now, we have had this first breakdown, and we haven't created any new highs. So if anything, I'm honestly looking more for sales than anything from up here. So, honestly, I'd be waiting. What do we have here? We have an MB1 and MB2 remitigation. So if we get a nice setup in here and this got liquidated, then we'll take it. But again, looks like we broke down. So we could have this could be more of a reaccumulation inside of here, which would probably make more sense. Then I'd probably take a buy off of here. Honestly, it makes more sense. And technically, we would have entered here anyways, but sure, we'll do that. And we'll leave it like that. Yeah. Takes us out, that's fine. And I'll take that buy. Makes perfect sense in my eyes. Again, we could probably take a buy here, but I'm already in a trade, so there's no point. Could take a buy here. Stop loss underneath there. Looking for it to go higher. Take this one out, break even, and then we'll remove both of these. So 307 is a recent one. So where's that 1 to 19? 307 go up here, and then order 81 here. It's going to be that 1 to 19, which is going to lay here. Yeah, so we're just waiting for this one now to expand a little more to hit that +1 or plus the break even. If we can get it, obviously. Get taken out of that, that's fine. I don't know how to feel about this 2.0 created, so not much stuff we can go with, honestly. 2.0. Definitely look for a reaccumulation, so that's what we're getting nice. We could get inside of here, definitely. I'd actually be happy to take this buy. Understanding the market has been pushing higher, and this makes like literally Did I not enter? Did I not place an order? Did I not place an order? I did not place an order. Shit. Ah, that sucks. I don't know, I think it was this one, wasn't it? I can't even remember exactly. But I'm pretty sure it was. Something like that. Looking if I can buy here. Yeah, it was here. It was actually the buyout for this one. And then yeah, we got that. And then the 426, again we're going to run that one to where we want it to go, which is that one to 19. Which is actually going to be much lower. Again, that's fine. That's how we play. That takes us out. So it looks like it wants to just break down. It could come into here. So what we get. Probably going to come lower, come on. Yep, grab that liquidity. Now we're in this zone. So we can definitely be looking for the pies. In this zone here. See what we get. Okay, we're coming down, so we're probably actually going to come down and get stopped out. Just by the looks of things. Yeah, probably going to come down lower. So we'll just let ourselves do what we need. But again, we're still looking for the buys overall, but we are out of the session, so I'm actually going to leave it and see what happens and get stopped. Cool. Now it does make sense to go actually higher, I believe, and we get that, and it goes higher. Okay, so it's 9 AM now. Cool. Again, we've been building up higher. Now, understand that this is still bearish. Look at this. See? So, we are looking for sells. Still looking for sells. Question is from where? Up here. Won't be happy with the sells. So, as long as market keeps pushing higher, we've got nothing to worry about. Now we did get one breakdown here, which is fine because it can just grab liquidity or just be a reaccumulation. So if anything, we could probably see this bullish trend go up, but we probably want to see this low get cleared and come into something deeper into here, like that. If that makes sense. But yeah. So let's have a look on the 5 minutes, see what we've got going. It's just bearish. No, come over here. Again, we'll grab liquidity, grabbed. So we've got clusters forming now. Again, we can definitely look for sales from here, but I'd wait for it to go a bit higher, if anything. Again, we'll grab this liquidity. Definitely looking for sales around here though. When I see a nice little push down and break that level, then I can take the sell. Yep. I'll put my stop loss here actually. And then we'll target lows. Stop down on that, that's fine. Looking for those sells. I'll take that sell. and we'll grab that. Very close getting stopped out. Very close. And there's where our target is. We'll just let price do its thing. Okay. Again, we'll grab this liquidity, which is great. Yeah, there's nothing to take. It's taken out. Yeah, we're probably still looking for those sounds. Very nice. I mean, yeah, I'm looking to take these lows anyway. So we're probably going to come back up, possibly test this, but looking for it to fail. So what we got? Didn't go up, cool. Let's see some new breaks down, if we get anything. So we're waiting for this low to get broken, now we're waiting for this to get broken. Okay, here's where we wanted to look for the sells. Okay, first breakdown. Got the retest, then we got the breakdown. So I'll be looking for a sell off of this. Like that. Like that. Cool. We'll let that run. Happy with this. Taken out. Sure. And we break higher. So again, by the looks of things, by the looks of things, this was the reaccumulation. Now, in my eyes, that makes no sense. On the high time frame, anyways. We've only actually got one break, but again, we were building a bullish momentum, so it kind of made sense, but at the same time, it doesn't. Honestly, I'd be happy when we tap the zone. We're done for the session. So probably going to go a lot higher. Okay. Okay. So definitely grab this one, but this isn't actually a reaccumulation, especially after breaking higher. So if anything, yeah, buys, but only from here. So because we're heading into this area, be a little bit more. I mean, this could just be accumulation, to be fair. So go down the 5 minute. ME liquidated. Got bullish clusters up here. So if anything, yeah, it doesn't make sense for buyers. From within here.
Sorry, buddy. No, no.
So let's see what we got. And obviously on here we've got 1 break, 2 breaks. We could get a third, but we're looking for buys in here, and we get our entry. I'm happy with this. Following the trend up, essentially. Like that. Takes us out. Happens. And we get the third break, so that's fine. I'm happy with that. And I'm looking to take a buy off of here. But I'll probably wait. Just based on 2 hours, and there we go. Cool. Something like this. And we get taken out, so that's -2 for the day, or -1 actually. There's only 0.5 losses. As you can see, our realized profit's basically less than -1, so we're good. And again, we can take this buy. And it's taken out again. Still looking for that buy, and this is our last trade for the day. See how it plays. Okay. There we go. See what we get. Nice impulse up. That's good. And building bullish. Grab liquidity. Nice. Now we're looking for buyers to go higher. And it looks like, honestly, we're probably going to take 4 TP by the looks of things. Broke down into this MB to test deeper, retest, and then now I'll be looking for buyers off of there, which we get. And then, yeah, so it doesn't, unfortunate. Oh, I think I'm going to be ending it here. Honestly, there's not much else to do. Fucking knackered. Knackered just looking at this shit. Looks like buys, and it was. It's the only problem. You should come take these loans now. Yep. Just like that. Honestly, I'll be looking for sales from within here. We're in the push down now, so see what we get. We've got one major breakdown. I want to see some more get created because this is just bullish at the moment. This could just be a redistribution there, which is fine. But it doesn't look like it. We've actually got bullish. Could be more absorption. Will allow absorption. MB1 break, MB2 break. Right here. Testing that higher zone. Honestly, we could take a sell here and be happy. Like that. Following the trend, which is basically down. Could take an out, sure. Whatever. Grab the liquidity. I'm looking for a break in this level to take a sell. Makes sense? Nope. Should we break down this level? I take this. Take straight out. Taken straight out. Fucking hell, I can't speak. The only thing I've noticed is my profit's not as big, with less risk, but I'm not losing much money. I'm kind of just sitting around break even, for the most part, so it's not it's not necessarily a bad thing, what I'm doing. But profit wise it's not huge, you know, unless obviously like this type of trade just decides to completely capitulate, but it doesn't, so then it's just like, you know, we sit with fuck all again. Okay, we got so look on the high time room. Honestly, I'm still looking for sales. Still looking for sales. Well, that looks weird. I'm gonna get a 2.0 up here or something. First breakdown, cool. You're not gonna come straight down, are you? Fucking hell. Because I'd probably be looking not there. I mean, here makes sense. Something like this. It's tiring, this shit is. Seriously. I mean, if we get the full capitulation, then might finally grab some money from the market. If we don't, then we don't. Come on. There we go. And there we go, +6. So finally we got some profits. Obviously if we come back to here, we can see our win rate is very low. We can also see that throughout these sessions wasn't bad, and the losses are very small. Now I don't know why these are occurring. It should only be capped at 2. But the point is, it's not necessarily a bad thing, something like that, because risk is being managed, and 6% is not bad. It's just depends on the account size. On a million, 60k. On a fucking 2 million, it's 120k. It all depends on the account size. On a 10,000, it's 600. That's a decent day, right? So, yeah. Again, wait till the next day. So again, we're breaking these higher. So, honestly, we've got to wait for a new session to roll in, but I'm still bearish on this shit. 7, 8, so it's 9 o'clock now. I'm still bearish on this. Still looking for the sells. Even though he did a great one, I haven't really got an MB2 push. And it could just be more of a redist, so honestly. Sells, and we do have this MP push up here. The mitigation inside of this, and we could run it to this. Really good music. What's going on? Alright, so looking at this, again it's pretty simple shit. We have this was this news must have been. I mean, I'm definitely looking for sales within here, and if we get a 2.0 build up on here like this, then yeah, I'm happy to take a sell. Definitely happy. Yeah, let's see what we get. So we got the first MB break, cool. And we want to see this get broken up, cool. So now we're definitely looking for sales. And I'll take a sell here, I'd be happy. Unfortunately, the only difference is RR wise, Mr. Ward. It's not going to be as good, or profit wise, whatever. And he gets to take his draw, which is fine. Doesn't really mean shit. Still looking for those sales. So I'll take that. Understanding that transfer could have actually occurred over here or here, but it's fine. So yeah. Gonna get back at it again. See what we get. Nice push down, cool. One more. One more. I want that. There we go. 1 to 3. Stop loss break even. And then literally just drag it to 1 to 19, which is our usual target, which is going to be down here. Just to put below like that. Cool. And we can say balloon for the day, and we can let it do its thing. It either stops out or it will take 4 TP. But at these points, we're not necessarily going to go back into another trade. We can, but we don't usually. So we've got these breaks down. It's very nice. And I've got this break. These pushes coming up, these clusters forming. So I don't think this is necessarily going to hold. I think this is just going to become liquidity, but it's definitely something to look for sales from. Like here, for instance, like if we get a nice break below this candle, or if not this one, I'll be happy to potentially. I want to see price come back in before I do anything, right? Because actually, yeah, this looks like a redist, but again, beside the point. I want to see price come back in. So it looks like 1, 2 is building. It's built up into here. Right, this will make it 1 minute portion. And we broke down. So because of the way markets actually moved and the way, even though we've mitigated this full MB as well, it actually makes sense to take sales from here. Even though we have this unmitigated MB up here, it doesn't matter. And we could take this loss, but again, it doesn't matter. We get some. stopped out like that. That's unfortunate. Again, you can take this cell because we're understanding that we're in the move, the actual leg down. So we can grab that. Now we get to take that -2, so we're at -1 for the day. And we're almost at the end of the session, but we've got half an hour left. Understanding that we want that cell. And again, we get that beautiful push down. Understanding that we can essentially take that cell again. We'll take it down, and yeah. We'll grab that liquidity. Again, we can actually take this as a sample, we're not going to. And that gets taken out. It's probably going to come down now. Come on, come down. Nope. Okay, -1.5 for the day. That's fine. We can take this. Understanding that that's how I want to move it. Well, it's harder to explain, but okay, we can take that out. I'm gonna be finished with this video, honestly. I'm tired of this shit, so yeah, hope you enjoyed it, and see you guys tomorrow. Peace.